In this video, we're going to talk about how to register a student in MathXL for School. First step is to go to MathXLforschool.com. Ignore all the other information. And then from here, what you're going to do is you're going to click on Student. Now on Student here, it says you're going to need three things: your email address, an access code, and your teacher's course ID. For email address, this will be your school email address, so make sure it is the one that's given to you. Access code, this will be an individual one that your teacher will give to you. Please wait for us to give that to you. It should look something like this, so where it'll be a string of 5 words, some of them making sense, some not. And then you'll also need your teacher's course ID. The access code and the course ID are two very different things, so make sure you're using the right code in the right place. Here you're going to click register, and here this is where you're going to type in that class ID. For geometry, algebra 1 and algebra 2 PLP, your code should look like this very last example. Once you click on that, then it's going to ask you to go to your it's going to ask you to sign in for your Pearson account. Now if you've already been in PLP before, you can go ahead and sign in with your Pearson account. If not, you're going to go ahead and create one. When you're creating your Pearson account, you need to make sure that you use your full name, your school email, and all of the correct information, because this is the email address that we will use to recover your account if needed. From here then, once you have created your Pearson account, you're then going to go ahead and then select the access code. Now, to get your access code, it will look like that string of 5 words. And again, your teacher will give this to you. This is not the same as the course ID. Once you're able to input your access code, then it's going to ask you to go ahead and put in your course ID one more time. And then from here, you're going to click Enroll. Before hitting Enroll, please make sure that the course ID pops up with the correct name of your course. So underneath the boxes, it will say like Geometry 5th hour. If it says something different or it's not your course, you may need to make sure you typed in the correct code. Once you hit Enroll, though, you should be able to access your MathXL account. Please be sure to go ahead and bookmark your MathXL account, since this will be the one that you'll access every day for PLP. If you have questions at any time on how to access MathXL or how to enroll, please see your teacher.